So it's a nice logo, huh? Yeah, exactly. Because you know, this is always a challenge, the logo. So welcome to this conference. I just want to know, for how many of you, if this is the first time, can you raise your hand? Okay, that's good. Okay, so I will say stuff that are still worth then. So this is very important. Thanks for being here, because we only do ESUG because there are people coming, and that's look completely silly, but this is a reality at the end. Huh? So I will explain you a bit the conference, but first we want to thank the local organizer, these three guys, and the DISP. This is the so DISP is the department. So Yannick will say some word, and then after the show start.
Thank you everyone to be there. I just want to say some words because the director has asked me to pass on a few words of welcome. So I just read the words. Lyon University was founded in 1875. Université Lumière Lyon 2 was founded in 1973. We are celebrating its birthday. 50 years old now.
So wait, what Yannick didn't tell you is that after you have exam, huh? So if you don't remember the date, huh?
Okay, the university has remained linear because
Ce que vous faites, venez à l'intérieur, il y en a un qui reste pour le moment où au moins vous... Normalement, les gens, il ne faut pas les faire un check-out maintenant. Ils rentrent, on le fait tranquillement après le break, ça ne sert à rien que... S'il y a un mec qui arrive en retard, on le pousse dans la pièce, quoi. Il suffit que vous soyez un qui reste là. No, we don't care, no.
There are 29,000 students, including near 4,700 foreign students. There are 22 research labs.
Tu imagines ce qu'ils leur font faire, hein?
Our laboratory, this lab, is dedicated to performance improvement for goods and services production system. And for this lab, if you need some information, I am there. Here we are in IoT. It's a specific component in France that provides bachelor degrees. What else? That's all. Je fais tout de suite les points importants.
Non, moi je le fais. Attends, fais voir. Ça y est. Yes.
Okay, it's okay.
I can do it. Okay, so we have basically 3 rules. So you should pay attention. The building will close at 8:30, which is reasonable. You see no food in the room. And they ask, we can recycle. This is the green moment. We can recycle the badge. So at the end, you drop your badge when you leave, and they recycle them. Okay? I think that we should be okay with those kinds of rules. Huh? Okay. So, yes. Now, ESUG want to thank the local organizer. So, I have some... Boo-boo. Yes, come. So, red like your t-shirt, that's perfect. So I hope that you will enjoy that. And a big one for the boss. You know, hey, it's like that, huh? So thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
You will tell me.
Thank you.
So yes, the Wi-Fi. So this is a survival guide. So if you don't survive the Wi-Fi, sorry. So basically, you receive, you know, this is what is funny with this international university. You receive email in French. This is to make sure that you know how to use Google Translate. That's a check. This is a monkey check. So if you didn't reply in July, then there is still a way that you can access to the Wi-Fi. You should follow, probably this is in French. There is a good chance. You know, you never know. Huh? So you should follow Invité Lyon 2. And they tell you, send this, do that, and that. And this is a check. And the one that do not make it, you know, this is too bad for you. So thanks our sponsors. By the way, seriously, enjoy this conference. You never know if there will be another one, because every year this is the same, ESSUG. We are not sure that we will not lose money this year, or we are pretty sure that we are losing money this year. So this is important to have sponsors, you see. I don't want to go more into the detail of the financial aspect, but enjoy it. Huh? So for the people that don't know what is ESSUG, so ESSUG this is a non-profit organization with a board. We organize the conference. You will see we have a student volunteer program so that people can get access to the conference. We have a summer talk, I will explain, sponsoring action, sponsoring scientific article, and sponsoring article about Smalltalk in mainstream journal. We do that. And we do all this action based on the money that we were doing in the past for the moment. Huh? So just for the scientific in the room, if you write that your wonderful analysis or algorithm has been written in Smalltalk, then you get 150 euros, which is a good beer, you know, from that perspective. We have also sponsoring lab visits. So often we have students that are abroad and for example, we cannot pay the trip because the regulation forbids you to pay the trip. This is like that. Then we ask the sponsoring to ESSUG or to the Faro Association in our case. We sponsored all kinds of things in the past, like Faro Days, the Renaissance Workshop in Toronto, Smalltalk 2022, and I'm not sure, maybe 2023. I don't know where we are, but probably if there is a Smalltalk 2023, we will try to sponsor it, you know, all these kinds of things. So all the events that ESSUG is doing are based on that. I forgot to put that, but within 2 weeks, we are doing a summer school in Croatia to teach Smalltalk to students. So this is also sponsored by ESSUG. We sponsor books. By the way, if you pay attention, often on the books there is my name. This is not, I'm not forced. You can write books, you know, too, you know. And Alex is writing books, so thanks. Because that's good not to be the only one. Oh, I'm not the only one, but still, I'm pushing. So you see the latest one. Normally, I was planning to have books outside here, and they didn't ship them on time, so you can find them on the web. So you see, those were the books in the past, Agile Visualization, and all these things that we did over the years, they are based on that. So yes, get in. Don't worry. So we have student volunteers. The idea is that they are helping to organize the conference. And this is very important. You should that's something else that I will say later, but they have a free access and free hosting. Like that, they can get in touch with us. And the cool stuff also, we have free entrance for certain people. And Norbert was telling to me that in 2009, he got a free, I didn't remember, he got a free entrance at Barcelona, which was cool. And then 10 years later, he organized the conference at Cologne, which was super cool. So we decided yesterday that it was a really good investment from ESSUG. So it was nice. So if you have any idea how to promote, how to do things, that you want to do something, because that's nice. Also, we can do things that you do. Feel free. If you want to have a booth in a conference or things like that, like FOSDEM or whatever, just contact us, and we are really low administrative profile organization. If you send a mail, it should be small like that, so that we can read it. And then after we take decisions. So normally we are fast to take decision. We are slow at answering. This is different. Often we forget. Did you send the okay? No. And you? No. Oh, okay. So that's more the problem. So the current board, because we changed, last year we changed, I have a typo. No. We changed the board because Luc was fed up after 10 years to be treasurer. And now this is Pablo. So where is Pablo? Yes, Pablo. So if you have questions or things like that about transfers or things like that, we should discuss with Pablo. Normally, we should vote if we renew the board. So, who is against? Okay, this is no, I will not make any joke. This is a strange kind of democracy, you know. Yes, let's call that democracy, you know. Okay, good. You know, we are forced to do that, and then after we have to send paper to show that we did it. And then there is the bank, the European Commission that want to check that we are not cleaning money from the drug industry. And we have to send our passport to these people. I don't want to go into the detail. This is awful, this kinds of stuff. So, more seriously, this year, so we got too many talks. So I had to reject some of them, which is good. We got 13 articles in IWST, the workshop. So in the other room there, you will have four workshop sessions. And by the way, I should synchronize to know who are the chairs because you replied, but I forgot to read the mail. So please come to me and then we decide who is the session chair. So we are around 85 participants, 15, and we are counting the 15 student volunteers. You see, I was thinking that I would have loved that we are more 100, but that's like that. So that's why I said in the starting of the conference, it is really important that you participate to the conference because we only do it for you, so for us a bit, but just two words about two friends that could not make it this year. So we have some thought to them. Norm, we should give a T-shirt for Martin, and I will try to send a T-shirt to Casper in Sweden. Denmark. Yeah, in the north. So about the fun. So we will not do remote conference. We have something else to do in our life. So what is super important is that we are present. Your objectives, or in fact the people that don't know each other, this is to talk to everybody. So this means that everybody that is new to the community, you should talk to the people that you don't know. Hello, I am blah and I'm doing Z. Okay, that's super important. Do it. And you know this is fun. So we have today we will have the technical award. So we have, for the moment, we have 11 competitors. It will be here around the, get in. It will be in the lobby here. We will start around half an hour later because we already switched a bit, or we will see. And then around 6:30, we will have a local wine degustation and some little food, so don't miss that. And then you will vote for the best things that you like. So what is new this year? Yes. So this year we wanted to have an interactive session where nothing is prepared in advance. Where is Guichet? Yes. And Pablo? So the idea is that if you have questions about how to use, what are the workflow with Iceberg or with Git, you can say, oh, you know, I would love to know how, for example, okay, I do long pull request and I have a lot of commits inside and the system is changing all the time. How do I manage that, for example? That's my question, you know, like, how do I do that? Because Faro is evolving, but the time that I commit, this is evolving, and how do I resynchronize my stuff? You know, this. I want to know from the expert, okay, what is the process? And then they will draw things. So if you discuss with them during the break, like that, they have the time to prepare the answer to the question, and else we will try to do it live, so it will be messy, but we do it like that, okay? The other stuff that is new is that, where is Christopher? Christopher, yes. So with Christopher, we have a Canadian-French project on OO misconceptions. And the goal is that we want to write a report. Why? Because like that we can pay the conference, which is nice to people. So the idea is that at the end, so what I would like to ask you, this is to think about when you were presenting object, or you look at the code of your colleague, not yours, of course, and you said, that's bad. There is a misconception there. We will collect them. I would like to have a pad, so I should check that with Christophe. I don't know where Christophe is. Yes, so I would like to see if we can have a pad where everybody can add that during this session. At the end, we write a report with all the names. Like that, we will see, yes, we worked during the workshop. Huh? That sounds good. So you should start to think, oh yes, what are the mistakes that people do, and things like that. Coffee. So normally there was no coffee break today, but we will shift half an hour because they have a lot of pastry there. So I was thinking, that's a pity not to eat them. So we will change the program half an hour. We will go to eat a bit later, and we do maybe we will see. Normally I should finish on time, and then we will have coffee always there at those moments. Show us your project. So show us your project. This is basically there are 2 sessions where people register to student volunteer. So I don't know who is the student volunteer. So we should on the board we should write. Or one of you should keep a log of all, those are all the things that people want to show. So what is it? You have a small project or something that you will not present, and you said, oh yeah, that's exciting. I have my little stuff that I do in my corner and I want to show it to the world. You have 10 minutes of presentation to show your little project. It can be a big project that you think is little too. This is working also. And you should register, and we have 2 sessions, one on Tuesday and one on Thursday, so this is fun. Let's get in. Wednesday, we will have a DJ, where is Dominique? Yes, that guy that will do live music show. The social event, yes, so that's the place. And I hope that it will not rain, but I'm pretty sure that it will not rain. It will be... this is inside? Okay, so. I don't want to go into the detail, the map. This is the address of the social event. The tram there, this is the tram that usually we take, this is the one close to the Elder Hotel. Okay, so you see, so this means that from the people that are around this tram, this is a walking distance. And then for the other one, you have that if you want to take, we will put the slide on the web. There is a WhatsApp channel. You should, I don't have WhatsApp, but you should register, okay? I don't have it, so you ask the student volunteer, okay, tell me the WhatsApp stuff, and like that you are connected and you don't need my information, okay? So, if you have question, problem, just ask. For ESSUG 2024 in the future, if you have friends that knows we would love to have ESSUG in Spain, or not when this is 45 degrees, by the way. But if we can choose, you know, so we will try. And we are still interested to know where we could organize ESSUG 24. So that's it. You know, I am on time, even in advance. So you can ask a question if you want, or else we can start to take a coffee break for real this time. And then we shift everything from half an hour max. Okay? That's okay for you? Do you need some extra information that I repeat something? No? For the next speakers, please check during the break that everything is working. Normally it should. Don't forget that if you have a new Mac, you should say hello to connect to DVI, I don't know what, because your Mac will recognize that this is a new cable and that you should press the OK button. And that's it. Okay?